If you guys missed last video, we actually unwrapped the STI. So we took off the entire snow blue wrap from Innositech, took it off from the STI. Unfortunately, taking the wrap off came with a price. Kind of knew this rear bumper was repainted from the dealership. It looked very different from the rest of the car, and also there were a lot of drips in the clear coat. So I had a feeling this was repainted, and as you can tell, once we peel the wrap off, it shows. So the cheap paint actually just peeled all off. I also revealed in the last video that on June 3rd this year for my birthday cruise, we're doing a cruise from San Diego all the way up to Rancho Cucamonga, or Ontario, California, where we will be revealing the new wrap for the STI. So it's gonna be a super fun cruise slash reveal party for the STI. We're gonna have like food, you know, a merch booth, and then also revealing the new wrap on the STI. So yeah guys, that's coming very, very soon. Super exciting. Alright, now you guys may be wondering, why is the side skirts left blue back there? You know, why didn't we take the wrap off? And that's because we actually got some new side skirts for the STI. Now these side skirts took, I want to say, up to 6 months to come in, so it's been a super long time. In my opinion, I think the best side skirts for this car, we got some various side skirts. Guys, these side skirts are so freaking sick. I actually unboxed them already, so I'll go and show you guys. This right here is the Varus side skirt for the 2015 Plus WRX or STI. So freaking cool. As you can see, we got the official made in Japan sticker right here. So we got the carbon fiber, kind of like, I don't know what you call these, but this goes at the front. And dude, these are very, very nice. Now these are my favorite side skirts for these cars. I think they just look so cool. They sit super low, and I just like the boxy kind of vibe it has to it. Got a cool little side vent. Kind of reminds me of the Street Hunter coming to the BRZ. We got that little vent as well. So cool. I love those little vents. Comes with a little bag of bolts and some instructions that I cannot read, unfortunately. But yeah, I sourced these side skirts from SubiSpeed. They've been a huge sponsor on the channel for literally all the cars. Couldn't be more thankful for them. If you guys are new, I do have that discount code, which I will put right here on the screen. Save you guys 10% off their website. Either SubiSpeed, FT Speed, you know, if you guys have a BRZ 86 FRS or a WRX and STI like this, whichever website you shop on, use that code right here, save you guys 10% off. Yeah, anyways, let's go and remove the stock side skirt. Super simple, honestly, it's just pop clips all along, and then we'll figure out how to install these new Varus ones. Bolts we need. All right, much neater. Cause I don't know how it happened, but I got all 4 lugs off besides this one right here. This thing is super stripped, and I'm 100% guaranteed that this stud is about to snap. I never really have to deal with this, but you guys will see it firsthand. This is literally about to snap, bro. Watch. Oh my gosh, dude. I can like feel it. Gosh. Well, it didn't snap, but that stud is done for though. What you guys think about the fit? I just don't like getting my clothes dirty. Alright, so I'm kind of just trying to mock it up to the car. I actually have to remove this fender piece that goes right here, and now looking at it, I think we have to chop this plastic bottom piece right here where the clips go. The OEM side skirt actually pops in right here, but now since the Varus one, as you can see, it kind of curves like this to match this area right here. So once we put it up like this, as you can see, it's flush against the body, so that plastic piece would probably be in the way, so I think we're gonna chop that off. They're freaking sick. I haven't put the carbon piece that goes right here, so let's go ahead and attach the carbon piece. Then I'm gonna try to mock it up to the actual car. So we attached the carbon piece. Now, I don't know, very surprisingly, I had to take the drill out and kind of slot the holes a little bit this way on this right here, just so I can screw in these two. So I don't know, that's kind of surprising. I had to do a little bit of like fitment stuff with the carbon piece. That caught me off guard, but it wasn't really that big of a deal. But an annoying thing was when I was slotting it, dude, I freaking, oh my gosh, dude, the drill bit came out of the hole and I scratched the carbon, bro. That's so freaking annoying. But whatever, just a small scratch. That kind of hurts. I hate drilling into the body, especially the panel right here. Side skirt is officially on. Kind of hurt my heart a little bit. Having to drill into the freaking panel right here behind the door. So this is pretty much how it's mounted. So there's two self taps right here in the back, one self tap right here. There's supposed to be another one right here, but I just didn't want to drill a whole bunch into the panels. Opening the front door, there's one directly in the middle, one towards the front. I skipped out on this one because it's already super secure with those self taps. And then we got the two bolts right here that thread directly into the fiberglass skirt. So this thing is pretty sturdy. Looks like it's not going anywhere. Do some little modifications to the fender liners just so I can have access behind the side skirt. But yeah, guys, overall looks freaking sick. Alright guys, working on your guys' orders for this last merch drop that we just did. Got some of them right there. This place is a freaking mess. We got merch everywhere. But anyways, we just dropped these tees about a week ago and they're so freaking sick. I've been promoting them a lot on my Instagram, but these are the tees that we just dropped. They're so sick. Low carbs, high risk. All the times we've gotten pulled over on the channel. So yeah, it's a sick drop. We just dropped it, like I said, a week ago. Getting all your guys' orders right there packed up. So yeah, in every single order, I put one of these cards. I can't flip it over because it's actually a discount code. Exclusive to you guys, whoever order. Yeah, kind of a little behind the scenes of packing orders, but yeah, you guys get a card. I've actually been starting to kind of just write you guys like little notes in there. I feel like that's a nice little touch to you guys, whoever order. Of course, we gotta throw a little Jolly Rancher in there. And Jose, I'm getting you a blue raspberry. So yeah, to all you guys who ordered, thank you so much. Thank you especially for the patience. I've just been so busy recently. As you guys saw, I've been just trying to work on getting the STI ready for the new wrap. So a lot of prep work has been, you know, going on behind the scenes, as well as the new drop. So I'm packaging your guys' orders on the daily. So thank you guys so much for the patience, honestly. Working on getting them to you guys ASAP. And of course, thank you so much to everybody who placed an order on these new shirts. If you guys ordered, let me know what you guys think. Message me on Instagram. I'm always trying to switch up the quality and make sure that they're shirts that I would wear. Always testing products out. So if you guys order a shirt or have ordered a shirt in the past, message me on Instagram. Let me know what you like about them. Let me know what you don't like about them. And I'm always trying to up the quality. But anyways, that's enough merch talk. Let's go on outside to the garage and let's talk about the STI. Guys, oh my gosh, look at the STI right now. This thing looks like a mess. All right, so the past few days I've been preparing this car to get wrapped. This is actually a brand new OEM rear bumper because the previous one had a whole bunch of paint peeling. They're actually pretty cheap. I got this from the dealership. I think it was like $270, something like that. I didn't film it, but a few days ago we actually got the fenders re-rolled. So if you guys remember, I actually buckled these fenders from running fender to lip. So as you can see now, it is nice and flat, super clean. I took care of the fenders, and then last piece, as you guys saw the previous clips, we installed the Veris side skirts. Guys, I'm gonna be completely transparent with you guys. I was really surprised on the fitment and how it wasn't that great. So coming from this side, this is the good side. So this is the passenger side. As you can tell, everything lines up really good. Looks clean, lines up with the OEM panels. Coming to the driver's side, now I wish I filmed a little bit more, but I didn't. But as you can see, we had to do a lot of body work. So I got it sitting pretty much good enough. Had to do a lot of body work to get this to line up. So before, the side skirt was actually sitting like probably right here. So it was sinking in a lot, and it wasn't lining up with this OEM fender garnish, I think it's called. So I had to extend it a little bit with some Bondo, so it's actually lining up nice now. And then this was like sticking out all the way over here, so I had to like sand it down and just get it level to the OEM garnish. But yeah, I took care of it, and now it looks pretty good. Yeah, it was pretty surprising because I thought it was just gonna be like perfect fitment, you know, straight out the box. But I guess that's just fiberglass kits. I guess everything's not gonna be perfect. But yeah, other than that, the side skirts are on. Pretty happy with how they sit right now. With all that being said, this car is pretty much good to go to get wrapped. I'm so excited to drop this car off. We got about a little bit over a week until our cruise. We're gonna cruise from San Diego here all the way up to Rancho Cucamonga, and we will reveal the new wrap there. Guys, everybody's welcome. I get that question a lot, you know, like, can I bring, you know, so-and-so car even though it's not an FRS or STI? Guys, it's welcome to everybody. Bring whatever car you want. We just got to get this car to Manny ASAP so we can get this thing wrapped. Like I said, we got a little bit over a week. But yeah, let's get this thing on the ground, and let's head to the wrap vault. Alright guys, we are en route to the wrap vault. It is time to drop off the STI to officially get wrapped, and it's gonna be over with Manny at the wrap vault for about a week or so. Got about an hour left of this drive. As you can see, we have Ethan with us to follow me. I just posted up on my Instagram story that we're headed there, and also about the cruise again. Dude, guys, I'm so freaking excited for this cruise. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty nervous. I've never really hosted something like big like this, you know, like a reveal party meet. So honestly, I'd be lying if I said I wasn't nervous. Just a little bit, actually a lot. I'm very nervous, but oh my gosh, this one's different. This is gonna be huge. I'm so excited. Guys, we made it finally. Oh my gosh, guys, this is where the cruise is gonna be. Literally in this whole area. See inside their shop, got a few little cars going on. Got a C8 Camaro. Guys, actually, this fun fact, I was about to do this color when I was debating on the snow blue that we just did on the STI. This is another color from Tech. It's, I don't know, it's like weird. It's like blue, green, and like gold. Literally was so close to doing that color before we did the snow blue. But anyways, next color's fire. I'm so freaking excited to show you guys, especially with the side skirts and just like the small stuff we've added on the car so far. It's gonna look completely different. And I'm just hyped, dude, especially with the 3-piece wheels. But yeah, this is where we're gonna do the cruise. This is the last spot for the cruise that I've been promoting at the wrap vault. So we have this huge lot right here. We're gonna be putting the STI in the garage, you know, have it covered up for the reveal. Ethan wants to get his car wrapped too. You're next, bro? You get it wrapped?
Maybe this summer.
This summer? Excited for the cruise, bro? I'm low-key nervous, dude.
Stress, bro. I'm stressed.
Dude, I'm low-key stressed too. I don't know, 3-4 hours later? Guys, I don't know why I do this to myself, but it is 1:36 a.m. Where do we go?
Made a little detour.
Detour to where?
I don't know. Usually we don't ever go to the casino, but we wanted to try.
Stop like Pachanga?
We're like an hour away from home still. And yeah.
Quick L?
For me.
Got a little lucky tonight, guys. Yeah, I literally made up for last video when we were at the casino. But guys, I don't know why I do this all the time. It is literally freaking almost 2 in the morning. We're an hour away from home. And I have work at 6 in the morning, dude. Like, what? Honestly, guys, I'm just gonna stay up all night and just edit this video for you guys because I haven't posted in almost a week. But yeah, we still got a long drive home, but stopped to fill up on some gas. Not too bad, like an hour. Guys, like I said in the last video, don't go to the casino, don't gamble.
We only do this just
It's a bad habit, bro.
It is a bad habit, but
It's a bad habit.
we kinda
No
bond.
buts.
We bond over this.
No buts. It's a bad habit.
Nice.
Bro, we got a guy getting rollers to Ethan's car. I'm trying to get him to airdrop it right now. It's not popping up? No? Alright, got it. Dude, we got it.
Bro,
That's the dude in the BRZ. Where the heck are we now, bruh?
2:30 a.m. activities.
2:30 a.m. Pull up to a
We-
random taco shop. Just give me a taco or
Let me reverse
5-roll
this.
taco.
Two special number 2s, the roll tacos. And then one horchata. Large or small?
Large.
Large, please.
Large. Alright, random taco shop review. I gotta get the middle one. One with all the guac.
I've seen so many cop cars over here. Worth it?
Spicy.
Damn, that is spicy.
I put a lot too.
Me too. I dipped my whole thing in there.
It's not bad. It's good. 7.5 out of 10.
Not bad for it being 2:40 a.m. and not having anywhere else to go.
Everything's good at this time, honestly.
Just so spicy.